Yeah. I'm gonna buy that one and that one. Leave it out. Want it though. I see the hate, they don't wanna see me win. Bank deposits, I got more coming in. Top down, throw the money in the wind. I don't want it. Heard these scammer had to switch up the account.
Oh my gosh.
I'm done.
It's Boys, welcome back. Today is the day we are tuning the S4, going Unitronic Stage 1 Plus, and yes, we are in Mike's garage. Again, the famous Mike's garage. Of course, we already got sandwiches, we already fueled up, you already know it was Jersey Mike's. But we're tuning the car today. We're going through the Unitronic Stage 1 Plus. We're gonna break it down on the entire tuning process, how to tune your car at home, and then we're gonna take it out for a drive and get our first impressions. So once again, guys, thank you for clicking on this video. Smash that like button for the algorithm, and we'll get into it. So one of the many reasons why I went with Unitronic is because it allows you to flash it from home. We did get the Uniconnect cable. It was sent to us from Unitronic. And right now we are just following the steps. So step one is we got to go to unitronic.com/get-uniconnect, and then we will register the cable, sign up for an account, download the app, and then flash it from there. So right now we are simply just signing on to the website, downloading the app, and going for the install, I think.
Yes.
So we got to register. So register the cable number. Cable number is UCP 45910. Okay, once you register your cable, we're gonna download the app, and it looks like the files are already programmed on the cable. Once you get them, that's how they recognize it.
I actually never played with it, so it's kind of like a guessing game.
Hold on, I'm downloading the files.
Okay. Connect the cable when you're installing the thing. The cable needs to be connected, and then the whole process goes through. This window pops up, and you get the email to register the cable.
When you're downloading the app, plug in the USB, and it will bring you up to this main menu right here for the window. Instructions will be sent to your email so you can register it. So we just got our email from Unitronic, and we're going to click here to activate it. So we will activate, accept. I guess I have to create a new password. Some super secret password.
I love boys 12129. That's your password, right?
I just messed me up typing in my password. All right, hold on. Oh my gosh.
Boys spelled with a
With a
Z. Boys.
There's like 17 Y's.
Oh my gosh, I can't even like. All right. Next, waiting for our registration to be complete. And then type in whatever form you just filled out for your account you just created. You're gonna retype that in. Downloading the installer. Congratulations. Your cable registration is complete. You can now proceed with the installation. So this is, I never tuned a car. This is my first time tuning a car, so I'm excited to go through this process with you guys. I know Mike has done everything with cars, so Mike is the most experienced here.
Yeah.
I'm almost positive you have to leave it on accessory mode when we do tune it, so it's probably smart to charge or leave the battery on a trickle charger when you are tuning, just in case the battery dies. You don't want to have any sort of fault with your ECU when you're reprogramming it. So we'll probably hook up the battery right now to a trickle charger or charger of some sort, and then we'll plug in the rest of the Uniconnect to the OBD port, and then we will begin to finally tune the car, boys. I'm beyond excited. It's the maiden voyage, boys. S4 is about to get penetrated for the first time.
Aw, not that.
I'm sorry, that's bad. We can edit that one out for sure. All right, she's locked and loaded. I guess we gotta sign the laptop. Please ensure the cable is connected to the OBD port and the vehicle ignition is switched on without the engine running. Let's do performance engine flash. Stage 1 plus 93 octane. So hit cat. Yep. So stage 1 with the cat. Following, I agree and ready to start.
Woo.
It's wiping the whole ECU out and then writing a new stuff over it.
Okay, so we're gonna let it do its thing. We will let it do its thing, and we will come back in, I don't know, probably 20-ish or so minutes and see how we're doing.
So, let's get it. Whoa, clear out the room, I'm coming through. They wanna see what I'm about. Yeah, I got skills, do it for the thrill. I'm on a paper route. Extra, read about it. I'm today's trending topic. I put commas over bullshit. Yeah, I put that on mamas. They tryna block all my blessings. They thought I lost for stepping. I bet on me and my team. ISO is what I'm repping. Put on for the whole city. Yeah, I got them rocking with me. I bet on me and my team. ISO is what I'm repping. Sending emojis. I'm blowing a pack of that OG. Don't be acting like you know me. And if you did, that's the old me. Winter time, rock a cold fleece. Pocket fat, that's obese. Only talking money if it's increased. She give me brain, girl, no teeth. I touch down, bust down. She busted open for a real. Stay Tommy'd up, trying to build it up, trying to count it up, hill figures. Don't be chilling with no lil. And if I do, I be real with them.
I heard noises. I heard noises. I heard some noises. Success.
6, yes.
All right, so please switch ignition off and then click next to start ECU reinitiation. So switch off. Off. One more time on.
One more time.
One more time on, boys.
Like we'll have it.
All right.
Good.
Yeah, we're on.
And I'm clicking next.
Hit next. Basically a pro tuner at this point.
For diagnostic trouble codes.
We got a couple codes.
Yeah, exhaust pressure control valve, but you know about this.
Yeah.
There's some data bus error, but it's probably because of the connection that we lost when it was on and off.
What are the errors?
Data bus error value received.
Okay.
Requirement manifold lamp or on active. I have no idea. Would have to look it up. Well, I have the OBD 11 if we're gonna have troubles with
Control valve A, control valve B. That's just from unplugging the exhaust valve, so that's
Exactly.
nothing to worry about. I guess we hit OK.
ECU has been programmed successfully. Please switch ignition off and
Okay.
click done.
Off and done, and that's it.
Off and done.
Holy moly. Holy moly, boys. She's off.
That's it.
That's all she wrote, boys and girls.
It's done. It's done.
So now, is it on or off?
It's off.
Turn it off, unplug it, and let's go for a cruise.
Boys, we tuned the S4.
That was so fast.
That was fast. That was super fast. Like, this is the first time I've ever tuned a car, period, and that was...
I mean, at Mark 6, we had to bench the ECU to actually like open the ECU and like,
Oh, seriously?
Yeah, re-weld stuff.
Wow. Yep. Super easy process. I'm not even kidding. That probably took, what, 10 minutes?
Not even.
Not even 10 minutes.
It
What?
took longer to set up the laptop
that it did.
to set up the laptop than it did to do this tune.
But actually, though, so the laptop that we bought to help us tune the S4 took way longer to set up than actually even tuning the S4. So the question is, do we let Mike drive first?
I don't think you want me to drive first.
I don't know, man. I feel like a little kid. I'm so excited right now. Boys, let's go, dude.
And girls.
And girls. I'm sorry.
Girls watch
I'm
this
sorry.
channel too.
I'm sorry. Some girls. Not a lot. The analytics guys are like 98% guys and 2% female. But
Yeah, but doesn't mean you exclude us.
Very valid point. Very, very valid point.
Do you want it though? Where do I begin? You see the hate, they don't wanna see me win. Bank deposits, I got more coming in. Top down, throw the money in a win. I don't want it all. Heard he scammer, had to switch up the accounts. Moving paper, gotta call it my account. It's all in, I can have it coming out. Been through the struggle, I can see another drought. Yeah,
Going for the maiden voyage, boys. You know we gotta let Mike drive first. He's way too excited. Just look at him just cheesing over on the driver's side.
Way too addicting.
Bro, what? That's not even, that did never happen stock. What the hell? That's crazy.
Can you press it?
Yeah.
Can you press it again?
Hold on, I'm gonna press it for Mike. We'll record this for Mike. Dude, that's crazy. What were you just in part? This has gotta be part of the tune, man. I'm for sure it's part of the tune.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Dude,
I realized you cannot keep it on the, all the way there. You just press it once and then when it comes
press
back.
it once and come back. That's insane. Did they give us a Pops and Bangs file? Or is that part of the tune? So. That's crazy.